Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope great. My name is Remy and I'd like to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here. And to you dear returning viewers, welcome back and thank you for your time here. Today I'd like to share with you how to make soy milk at home from the scratch. Please check the description box for ingredient list and measurement. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of soybeans. I will pick out dirt from the beans, and sometimes you'll find stones and all sorts inside, so it is important to do this before soaking. If you have been wanting to make your own soy milk at home, then this is a go-to recipe because the steps are really easy and you can make yours simply by following this recipe. See the amount of stones I picked out from the beans, so this step is really important. I will now pour enough water to cover the beans and I'll leave it to soak overnight. It's morning and this is what it looks like. The size has increased and it is now soft. To remove the peel, I will rub the beans in between my palms. The peel comes off more easily when it's been soaked, but I still find that it's hard to get it off completely, unlike the regular beans, but that's not a problem because I will stop where my power reach and it's not going to get in the milk anyway, so no need to worry. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and also subscribe to my channel because I have loads of amazing recipes to share with you. Already, if you go through my channel, you will find very nice recipes that I am sure you would like, and I also have very useful tips and tricks that you will find useful. Okay, so that's enough bragging. Let's get to work. I am done cleaning the beans and it's time to blend. I will do this in like 3 batches until I have exhausted the beans, and I'll transfer into a bowl. This soy milk is really easy to make, and from this milk you can make tofu. I'm going to share a recipe for that soon. And if you find that you get bloated with dairy milk, you may want to try a soy milk, and it's so cheap to make, very cheap. Alright, so this is the last batch and I am done with blending. I am rinsing out the blender into the already blended beans, and I'll add some more water, mix it before I pass it through the sieve. As nutritious as soy milk is, I know some people who do not like it. They don't drink it because of that distinct flavor of soy milk, and there's a way to go about that which I will show as we go along in this video. So this is the milk. I'm pouring this back in the bowl. I will add some water and see if I can get some more milk from it. So I did get some milk from it, and this is the pulp which I'm going to discard because I don't know how to use it. I understand some people use it. Alright, so it's time to boil the milk. I will pour it in a pot and the heat is on medium. This is cinnamon stick to flavor the milk, and I will drop it as soon as I pour the milk in the pot. So like I said earlier, if you don't like the soy milk flavor, you can switch it up by adding cinnamon stick. You can even use cloves or other kinds of flavors that you like. I still have some milk. Everything couldn't fit into the pan, so I will boil this later. I need to stir at intervals to ensure that the milk doesn't stick to the pan. And when you get this foam on the milk, you can just gently scoop it out. As the milk starts to boil, you will find that it forms a thin film on the milk, so you can just gently remove that too. And don't forget to keep stirring at intervals. I allowed this to boil for 20 minutes. I have now turned off the heat and I'll let it cool completely. Here's another flavoring that you can use, but because I already used cinnamon, I will not be using this. You can find this in shops where they sell cake ingredients. It's completely cool now, and it's a good time to sweeten it with any sweetener of your choice, be it sugar or honey. And I did sweeten mine, but I forgot to record while I was doing that, so that's why you cannot see it now. I will then transfer into these glass jars and store in the fridge. This can stay for up to 3 days in the fridge without going bad. Remember, it is homemade and has no preservatives. The store-bought ones usually last longer than that. You can enjoy this milk on its own. You can make it into yogurt. You can enjoy it with your favorite snack. So I hope you'll give this a try, and please let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe if you have not, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Have a great day. Bye.